No, that one doesn't.
Hello. I'm going to play a song for you. As you see, my left arm is very, that's my right. I mean my left. That arm is very abnormal. Begin.
Still.
Please play faster, arms. Please. Oh, anyway, sorry, just had to readjust. My hair is in my face. Thank you. Okay, we're good now? Thank you. Alright, I'm better. Much better. Okay, back to playing the guitar.
Now her hair's back in her face.
It's back in my face. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. My arms have a mind of their own, obviously. That kind of hurt. Hi. Fuck it. Anyways, I would like to play a song for you. Go.
Okay, there's a lot of good practicing going on here today. I'm real proud of all of you.
That was for you. Thank you. Obviously we're done. Thank you and goodbye. Good night.